So if you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, you've seen my table that I built from an old door that we got some friends of ours. That's made with piece of bed frame for legs and pallet wood underneath to connect them all and attach the top to it. Originally, we had a kitchen table that was from Bob's Discount Furniture, and we had chairs like these. I tried to do one of them and refinish one, and we have that, but it's a lot of work. So in the meantime, I found these old bar tables that just need to be re-glued, and those were fine. But we need something different for the end tables. They just don't work. They don't fit the feel of this table, the rustic vibe and stuff like that. So I found some the other day, but they just need to be reupholstered. So let's do that. One day while on the side of the road, I found two of these. Here's one. There's the other without the seat cushion on it. Minus the teal, they look like that originally. And I pulled these off, and I'm just using them as shop rags now. So, while I draw on fabrics, checking out their remnants, I found this nice piece of fabric, which is basically a 2x4, half a yard, for $3.50. And this fits perfectly, at least two. I could do 3 seats if I wanted to, but I got more than enough to do 2 seats. So I'm going to cut this down through the middle and then upholster these. And so for this, to make sure I have enough, I'm literally just going to cut it in half. So, fold it over. And it doesn't need to be exact because there's more than enough material here. Voila! 2 seat cushions worth of fabric and then some. Alright, so today in our upholstery journey, hold on. Okay, so today in our reupholstery journey, where we last left our hero, we have these seat cushions, and we have this fabric. The way we attach these two together is pretty damn simple. This is not professional upholstery. This is more stage upholstery, but it'll get the job done. And all we need for that is a staple gun with some T50 staples in it. I have a pneumatic one of these, but these are very cheap and very common, and not everybody has access to an air compressor, so I thought I'd just show this version. So what we do, we take our cushion. Actually, first we take our piece of cloth, our fabric, put it down, center it on it as well as you can. It doesn't need to be perfect at all. Then we're going to take this corner, suck that in there, drive a staple in. Take this corner, suck it in there, drive a staple in. Take this corner, suck it in there, drive a staple. Take this corner, suck it in there, drive a staple. Now that you have all 4 corners done, take the remaining bits, say from the back here, suck it in, throw a few staples into it. Do the same over here. Pull this in a little bit on the side where you need to. Yep. That one did not go in, hold on. I can fix that real quick with a little whap, 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 whap. I think these are only like 1/4-inch staples on here, so they're not fantastic, but. And then just start stapling around. Front, suck that in, pull it in. You want to go from the ends and then take care of the middle, all the while pulling it to suck it in as tight as possible. And for our last side over here, I'm going to do the same thing. Another one that didn't want to go in there. And voila, just like that, boom. Instant upholstery, very easy to do. So, let me do the other one. Throw as many staples in as you need. It doesn't matter. Nobody's gonna see it. It's under the butt. Well, crap. And now, what I like to do is just do a little cleanup. So I'll come through here with some scissors and just cut off a bunch of the excess. And this will go in my scraps for fabric. There we go. So that is how you quickly reupholster a seat cushion. This is what the chairs look like. Not too bad for $3.50 in a few minutes of time, huh? Now these chairs, which I also found by the side of the road, if I have not mentioned that, look much more the part for this rustic kitchen table, especially with the pub chairs that we have there. Right? There we go. Quick, easy project with chairs. Everything on that table was free except for the bed frame, which we paid for a couple of bucks at the restore that I took the headboard pieces off of and made table legs out of. There you go.